Ryanair's boss has lashed out at Boeing, accusing the company's management of, quote, running around like headless chickens. The comments come after the airline group, which operates an overwhelmingly Boeing-dominated fleet, raised concern over the aerospace manufacturer's inability to deliver orders on time. Boss of Ryanair Michael O'Leary, who isn't known for his soft words, spoke out during a company earnings call earlier this week. During the call, O'Leary said, "At the moment, we think the Boeing management is running around like headless chickens. We're very happy to work with existing management, but they need to bloody well improve on what they've been doing, delivering to us over the last 12 months. Although critical of Boeing, the remarks are most notable for their support of the current management team. There has been growing disquiet over the position of Dave Calhoun, Boeing's CEO, after a slew of bad news, including trouble with 787 documents and the 777X being delayed until at least 2024. The chief executive of the world's second-largest aircraft lessor Avalon, Domhnall Slattery, recently dished out some harsh words about Boeing and its leadership. Speaking at the Air Finance Journal conference in Dublin, he said, "I think it's fair to say that Boeing has lost its way. Boeing has to fundamentally reimagine its strategic relevance in the marketplace." Slattery also added that Boeing requires fresh vision, maybe fresh leadership. Ryanair Group currently operates hundreds of Boeing aircraft and at the end of the first quarter had a further 145 737s on order. The group calls the MAX a game-changer aircraft that boasts a 4% increase in seats and a 16% reduction in fuel burn. Despite O'Leary's comments, the group has reason to be cheery. In its Q1 2022 report, the airline predicts that it will return to profit in 2023, albeit while warning of a fragile recovery. Ryanair Group has managed to cut its losses from $1.05 billion in 2021 to just $393 million for the year ending March 31st, 2022. The airline carried 97.1 million passengers in the last financial year, compared to just 27.5 million for the previous period. Despite the good news, rising fuel and labour costs may hurt Ryanair's bottom line and return to profitability. With Ryanair so heavily invested in the 737, the airline group might be anxious about what kind of airplane could be coming next from Boeing after the MAX. Indeed, with all of its current issues needing to be sorted out, the American manufacturer probably hasn't dedicated too many resources to developing its new mid-size airplane. Looking even further into the future, it'll be interesting to see what kind of strategy Boeing takes to update or revise the 737 to adopt the latest and greatest technologies. Whatever the replacement is, airlines like Ryanair would be anxious to know how much commonality it'll have with their existing Boeing jets. What do you think of O'Leary's comments? Do you think they're accurate? Let us know in the comments below. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.